Etacom, from waste to resource. At Etacom, we design, develop, and install innovative, cost-effective, and ecological systems to solve the ever-growing problem of waste. Cities, like all more or less developed places, are forced to deal with the difficult task of waste disposal. Limited by the choice between overflowing landfill sites, which occupy the land while they are in use and cannot be used after the waste is broken down, and the traditional incinerators, which have a devastating impact on the environment. From today, we can add a third choice to this list, a choice introduced exclusively by Etacom on an international level. Our modern plants, the fruit of over 5 years of research and development, use a thermochemical process long known to us to produce, using cutting-edge and patented technology, a gasifier that produces astonishing results, the Etacom Pyroprocessing System. Etacom Pyro. Choosing an Etacom Pyroprocessing System means aiming at a modern gasification plant that brings extraordinary advantages from all points of view. Our team of engineers and expert technicians guarantee a clear and transparent analysis for every step of the project, from the preliminary phases to the commissioning of the plant, and will assist you for the entire production lifespan of the system. The advantages of choosing an ETA pyroprocessing system are clear to see. The size of the plant is flexible and modular, so it can be used by various sized entities, even very small, while maintaining the same standards of quality. In fact, it is not necessary to have large amounts of material to dispose of, and therefore create special storage areas. The smallest unit available has the same dimensions of a normal container, is easy to transport, and can operate continuously or discontinuously. This creates the possibility of delocalizing the disposal of waste to strategic points, thereby reducing the environmental impact and the social cost of logistics and handling, with zero-kilometer waste disposal management. The idea of serving single areas and not having large plants where the waste from large areas is converged makes the Etacom Pyroprocessing System easily accepted by citizens who see it as their own tool. Moreover, the technologies and emissions of the plant mean that the traditional polluting chimneys that stand tens of meters above the roofs of our buildings are made redundant. The Etacom Pyro needs only a simple flue a few meters high for the exhalation of fumes. The Etacom Pyroprocessing System needs only a simple flue a few meters high for the exhalation of fumes. The Etacom Pyroprocessing System needs only a simple flue a few meters high for the exhalation of fumes. The product of the pyroprocessing system consists of 3 fundamental elements: a residue of ash, chemically and physically inert, which can be reused; recyclable material that is not transformed during the process and can be resold; and syngas, a synthetic gas with extraordinary heating power. Syngas is your free fuel. Transforming it into steam will allow you to produce and sell thermal and electric energy. The result, in terms of fumes produced by this process, is a high performance both in terms of quality and the concentration of pollutants. With regard to the strict limits imposed by the European directives, we at Etacom succeed in further reducing these emissions to minimum levels, maintaining them at negligible percentages. Emissions are monitored by instruments that take hundreds of measurements per minute and can be seen in real time on the internet by all administrative and municipal authorities. For maximum transparency, Etacom installs information panels locally, which allow citizens to monitor the emissions of the waste disposal plant in real time. An additional advantage of the Etacom Pyroprocessing System is the broad range of waste it can dispose of. The list provided details a vast range of products, some of which are difficult to eliminate with current technologies in one plant. Among these materials, where the cost of disposal is significant, are the following: solid urban waste, furniture, tires, painting waste products, hospital waste, railway sleepers, kitchen waste, rubber polymers, garden waste, biomass, animal waste, plastics, leather scrap, paper MFG, oils, certain flammable gases, car fluff, flammable liquids, car diesel filters, ships and other means of transportation, wood scraps. Etacom's results are the goals you want to achieve. We will help you right from the start with feasibility or pre-feasibility studies, solving technical problems, assisting in obtaining authorizations, certifications, international funding, and drawing up personalized designs. The cost of an Etacom plant is, with the amount of waste being equal, cheaper than taking it to landfill sites and also cheaper than a conventional incinerator. The management and personnel costs are minimal, and the economic return associated with the energy produced means the plant pays for itself in the medium term. We started with the problem, and we have arrived at well-being and a new economical resource. This is the future for sustainable development. This is Etacom's commitment. Etacom, from waste to resource.